Well, now we're going to start with our gutsy text. So let's take a look at our screen here. First thing we need to do is we need to open us up a new document. So we'll hit Command N for a new document. And as you can see, I have a 700 by 700 with a 72 pixel per inch, and that looks good to me for now. So we'll go ahead and say OK to that. That opens up our file like so. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to hit D to make sure we reset our palette back to black and white as it is here. So we'll go ahead and go to Filter, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off by doing clouds. So we'll hit Render Clouds. And as you can see, it'll just render them in a random order like so. So we've already got started on here. Now let's hit our text tool, and let's get some really big, bold condense. There we go. And let's type blood. There we go. It's coming up. B-L-O-O-D. There we go. And we'll go ahead and go to our layers. Actually, I didn't keep that because I got rid of it. Let's do that again. B-L-O-O-D. There we go. Enter. And we'll just resize that text and get started to the next session.